Good morning. Let's see if we see any babies in the nest yet. I can't see, but I'm trying to film. I don't know. There's definitely a nest, and she's definitely been sitting on it. I better quit. Don't want to make her upset if she's watching. Dog's in the doorway. Weird Collection Wednesday. You've seen them in the background. There they are. A collection of Mrs. Butterworth bottles. Why do I have them? Because they're worth money. The ones with the metal caps are older and naturally worth more than the ones with plastic caps or no caps. So, look them up on eBay, folks, if you don't believe me. My goal this week, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Let's go ahead and try to sell or donate at least half of them before next week. Okay, got them all in a box. And I've put the smaller ones mostly on this side. And I've put the metal cap ones over here. And looking at that, what I think I'm gonna do is take the small ones, these 7 small ones, and take them around to a few shops here in town and see if they'll just buy them all together. Kind of a lesson learned from my mom. If you take in a whole collection like this, they're gonna offer you less per piece than if you only went in with maybe 2 or 3 of them. But I don't wanna wait around for 2 or 3 at a time, so I'll take those 7 and see if I can sell them. And if I actually find somebody that's interested in them, then I could wait a week or 2 and go back with the bigger ones, or go back with the metal cap ones, which I would expect to get even more money. And when I say more money, I mean they could sell as little as $1 a piece to as much as, you know, $5 or $10. Sadie says, Sadie, quit. Later on.